So let me break that down. I think this is similar to the idea of traces. So some people call it traces. So let's say you talk to AI for for thousands of files, and it's a 5-hour conversation in terms of chats. So you, because of the fact that you're doing so many changes in your code base, it's hard to keep track of it. What Giga AI can do is like divide that 5 hour of conversation into traces, histories of smaller chunks that AI has checked and done, and things that are pending. So it's easier to code with AI, and especially it has more memory, more context, and context engineering is the future of AI engineering.
Yeah, so that point about traces that you mentioned, Giga analyzes your conversation history, and in that analysis, it can find out where were some conceptual mistakes done by the developer, where were some issues done by the AI. And it gives you tips as a developer how to not make those mistakes in the future, and it improves context for the AI so AI does not make those mistakes.
Absolutely. I have read those feedbacks all over the Reddit. I am really impressed by your work.
You.
But my fear right now is if Cursor want Giga AI integrated, what's better path for them? Buying Giga AI or creating their own memory layer?
So what's special about Giga is that it works alongside all tools. So Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, all of them are compatible with Giga. And what we are observing in developers is that they're not really sticking to one tool. So even myself, I was using Cursor for maybe at least 1 year exclusively. But as soon as Claude Code was released, I switched, and now in Giga, I can clearly see that 98% of my usage is on Claude Code and 2% is on Cursor. Now I'm going to switch to Codex as many other developers are. So Giga is the only tool that is compatible across all of the AI engineering tools. So any individual company technically is not able to deliver what Giga is doing.
Wow. So you have the long-term thinking here. I want to add on as well, like Cursor becomes really expensive at times.
Yeah.
People keep switching tools what are cheaper for them. I think B2B businesses don't, but users like us keep on switching. That's why he has 1,500 strong developer community. My question here would be like, what would you advise in terms of vibe coding, AI assisted coding? What is the best for them to use right now? Because I started using Ru code.